it's Kristina. Thank you so much for watching. So I'm excited to show you guys what's my November box for Julep, and I actually got this box today, and today is Halloween. It's October 31st and I'm already receiving my November box. Like, that's exciting because they're always on time. Usually I always get it either on the 1st or the 2nd of the month, but today I even got it earlier, so that's a plus. I love Julep and they're delivering. So this month I got 2 polishes and a lip gloss, and the style that it chose is called Classic with a Twist. So I got the 2 polishes and a lip gloss, but I actually also did an add-on for another lip gloss. So first of all, I wanted to show you the packaging on the nail polishes. They have this new thing like they did last month, and it's really cool, I think. And they also package each polish in a separate container, which I thought was pretty awesome as well. So this is the Classic with a Twist box, and if you don't know how Julep works and what I'm talking about, I will explain it at the end. But first I wanted to show you the colors and everything that I got for the people that already know, so that way they're not bored. So this red color here is called Shayla, and I don't have this yet. This is a matte, pretty red shade, and I have a few reds from Julep already, but I wanted to show you where did it go. I pulled the 2 shades that I thought these were similar to the 2 polishes that I got. So the one that I already have is called Delani. So this is the old one. This is Delani. It's a more of an orangey red. And then this is the new one that I just got, which is called Shayla. And then this is the second polish that I got, and it's called Cynthia. And it's this gorgeous like tan color with shimmers in it. And it reminds me a lot of this other Julep polish that I have that I'm actually wearing on my nails. This is... I don't even know what the color of this is called. I forgot. I think it's called Zelda. Yeah, this is Zelda, and that's what it reminds me of. So they're pretty similar. They're both very shimmery. This is more metallic, obviously. So that's the one that I'm wearing on my nails right now, and if you're wondering about my makeup or what I have on my lips or anything like that, I will write it all down in the info box below and link everything, so that way I don't take up any time in this video. And then the gloss that they sent me in the box was this one. This is called Timeless. It's a nude gloss, and I don't have any glosses by Julep yet. I have their lash curler, I've had their mascara, their makeup, their like nail polish remover, I don't know, all sorts of things, but I've never had a lip gloss, so I'm excited about that. This is a gorgeous nude shade, and it's got like these golden specks in it. I don't know if the camera's going to pick it up, but it's got gorgeous golden shimmers inside of it. And then what I did was I actually got an add-on of another lip gloss, and this color is called Glowing, and it's a gorgeous shimmery pink. This has also got little shimmers inside. I don't know why the camera's not picking it up, but, and let me just say that I love the shape of them. I love how all the nail polishes, they're all like square, so they all go together. They're not like the round polishes that always, like, you can't stack them together. You know, the square ones, they take up so much less space and they're like organized, and I love that so much more. And so the lip glosses, they're the same, and I love that about it. And these also remind me in shape of the Calvin Klein lip glosses, because they're also square like this. So I'm really excited that I got these 2, like super excited, because I love nude and pink lip glosses. This is like exactly up my alley. And then every month they always give you a freebie, so this time they gave me a Luxe Repair Skin Serum. So this is also by Julep. It's just a little sample like that. And then they also gave me like this little brochure with a bunch of stuff in there for the holidays and different collections and sets that they're offering. So that is what I got this month, and now let me explain to those of you who don't know about Julep. Basically, it's a brand that's very well known. You know, it's like high-end because it's sold at Sephora, and their nail polishes retail for $14 each, which is a bit much for a lot of people. And obviously on their website they also sell more than nail polishes. They have makeup, like you see, the lip glosses. They have, like I mentioned, eyelash curlers, mascaras. They have foundations, concealers, all kinds of things. Now they've, you know, expanded, because when I first signed up for their Maven boxes, they only had nail polishes. And the Maven box, if you don't know, it's basically this thing that they do every single month where they give you 5 different Maven box styles. So you can get the Maven box for only $19.99, and it includes 3 polishes in it, or 2 polishes with a product. Like you saw, I got 2 polishes with a lip gloss, and it's up to you what you receive. So they have 5 different styles you can pick from on their website every single month. So you go and you choose which style you like. You don't have to get the same exact style every month. You know, you can pick different ones, and if you don't like anything that month, you can skip the month and they won't charge you. But I think it's a great deal, because if one polish is $14 and you can get 3 polishes for only $20, and that includes the shipping, that's an awesome deal. So I think like everyone should definitely try it out, and I actually have a code that you can use to get your first Maven box for totally free if you've never had anything from them before. So I will write the code down below in the info box along with the link to the website, so you can try it out if you like, and then you can just unsubscribe. You know, you can just try out the first box and then just unsubscribe if you don't feel like paying the $20 every month. You still got free 3 nail polishes. That's awesome. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe to my channel, and also add me on Facebook and Twitter and Instagram. I will put all my links down below in the info box, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.